Hi, this is Dale Guiducci with ERA Credit Services, and I'm coming to you from beautiful Columbus, North Carolina. Now, that's not our usual home base. We are usually based in Clearwater, Florida, but we're up here in Columbus for the month of July going into August. We wanted to get away from the Florida heat and enjoy the beautiful, but we wanted to get out of the heat for a little bit in the summer, come up to the beautiful Blue Ridge Mountains, which are just over my shoulder here. So enjoying ourselves, but that's not what this video is about. What this video is about is the number of people that are out there looking to start a credit repair business, going through all this red tape, going through all the hassle of learning all the laws and finding everything out that you need to find out about a credit repair business. And I'm here to tell you today, and that's what this video is about, you can get your credit repair business started today without any of those hassles, any red tape. We'll be right back. So as of this month, it's been 7 years since I started my own credit repair business. And in those 7 years, I've had calls from over 2,600 people asking me how they can get their credit repair business started, consulting with me because I've done it, right? And they wanted to find out how to do it. And each of them was dealing with surety bonds and state regulations and finding a company that will pull credit for them, finding a merchant services company, all of which is just a major hassle in the credit repair industry because merchant services companies won't work with a credit repair company typically. Neither will credit repair or credit report brokers. They won't work with credit repair companies either. So all of this to just start to get the business going, then dealing with websites and all the technology involved and finding the software to be able to generate the dispute letters and all of that. And so they've called me with all these issues and I've shared with them the same thing I'm going to share with you today. And some of them took me up on that and they came on board with us and they are now running their own credit repair agency with our infrastructure and doing very, very well. Some people, they still went on their own, and I don't know that I've heard from a lot of them since, but I would imagine that some of them were successful in going through all the hassles and the red tape and got their business off the ground. It might have taken months, it might have taken a lot of dollars, but maybe they started their business. But then they had another hurdle to overcome, and that was finding the time to do it all. In other words, all the marketing, all the sales that they have to do just to get the clients, and then the service delivery, finding all the time to do that. And a lot of these people just wanted to start their business on a part-time basis. So I've got a different solution for you today. Now, to give you an example of what I'm talking about, I got a call the other day from a gentleman out of Georgia who had started a credit repair business. He had navigated through all of the red tape, the hassles, the laws, etc., the technology. He had done so. He actually bought software from Credit Repair Cloud. If you've done any research on credit repair, they pop up in the front page of Google and at the top of the page all the time. You might have researched their software. And he did that. He bought their software, went through all of their training, and he called me the other day and he's pulling his hair out. He's saying, I just can't keep up with all of the clients. I do a great job of marketing my business, finding the clients, but trying to deliver the service, even with this software, is a very, very difficult thing to do, and he can't keep up with it. It's dominating all of his time, and he can't expand his business from what he is currently doing. Again, we've got a different solution, so pay close attention. So our business model overcomes both of those problems. First of all the red tape, all of the laws that I'm talking about, the surety bonds, the state regulations, the federal regulations, the can't charge upfront fees, the all of that stuff that it gets in your way. You can't find a company that wants to provide you with credit reports, so you've got to have your client get their own, which is not the best scenario for a company, is it? You can't find a company that will allow you to work with you to allow you to take credit cards and debit cards. Again, a hassle. How are you going to get around all that? Our business model, you don't have to do any of that because we have the infrastructure already set up. We've bypassed all of that. Our credit repair service company that delivers the service for you, and we'll get into that in just a second, they're a 501c3, so that allows you to be able to do business in all 50 states right away. So not just your home state without having to get a surety bond and go through the state regulations, but all 50 states. Why? Because a 501c3 is exempt from the federal CROA law, Credit Repair Organizations Act, and that's what the states base their laws on. So you can do business in all 50 states right away. You don't have to worry about a merchant services company because we have a merchant services company. You don't have to worry about pulling credit for your client. We pull credit for your client. We've overcome that as well. So the infrastructure is set up. And in addition to that, the other problem that like I said, that you would have if you would have started all by yourself, go through all that red tape, spend the time, energy, effort, and money to get it set up, and find that software company, right, the right software to be able to draft dispute letters. What's the problem? The problem is you're not going to have time to do it all the sales, all the marketing, all the service delivery. Well, we have a staff. First of all, the staff, when you put a customer into the system, they pull credit, they draft dispute letters, they get the dispute letters out the door. Listen, dispute letters are not rocket science. There's a way to do it, and we've got a very well-trained staff that knows exactly how to do it. So you can scale your business as large as you want. You can put as many clients into the system as you want. We've got dozens of people that are trained on getting all that out the door and basically service delivery for your client. The other thing that they provide, which will alleviate you with another problem that I haven't even mentioned yet, is customer service, right? Let's say you have all these clients, you built your business yourself, you got it started, you figured out the software, now you've got all these clients, now they're calling you with questions. Are you able to be on call for your clients, let's say 8 hours a day to answer questions, or maybe in the evening? Well, our staff is. See, we provide customer service Monday through Friday, 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. Eastern time, 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. Pacific time, and the problem is solved. Now your clients are calling people that are paid to sit at a desk and wait for calls to come in, pull up their account, answer any questions, make changes to their account any time of the day, and you have the opportunity to do what? Go find some new clients and put them into that system. So that's the difference with doing it all yourself, going through months of time and energy and effort and money to get your business set up, or you could get started in business today with us, and guess what? Your total startup costs out the door, $288. $288. Very little investment, very little time to get it set up. In fact, you could be in business and starting some online training today. We provide online training, by the way. I do a live training for my agents all around the country every single week. I've got training videos for you. I've got marketing videos for you. We've got brochures, flyers, folders, all of that set up, business cards, all of that is set up for you. You don't have to go through that. We got templates for social media. We have a sales funnel system that if you want to use that to generate leads online, we've got that for you. We've got phone apps already developed. I mean, we've got all this stuff, and that's why so many people are coming to work with us. So you might be going, okay, Dale, I need details. I understand. I kind of gave you the 30,000 foot view, right? I want to give you the details as well. So underneath this video, there's going to be a link. That link is going to be to another YouTube video that I've done. It's our business model this year, 2019, so that you can watch the latest and greatest details of our business opportunity. I'm also going to give you a link to our website where the video is there as well. And I suggest maybe you go to the website, watch the video there, because if you like what you see, and I believe that you will, you're going to want to speak with me, and I'm going to want to speak with you. So what you can do is right underneath the video, there's a tab. It says book a phone appointment. Click the tab. What happens is it pulls up my information, my calendar basically, all of my appointments that I've got, and you can pick a time that you're going to be available, put it on your calendar. It'll go right onto my calendar, so that'll block the time for you, and I will call you at that time. So what are we going to talk about? Anything that you want. You can ask me every question that you want. I'll explain some details to you. I'll explain exactly how to go out and build this thing, how to go out and hit the ground running, because that's what I've done. That's my expertise. That's my value to you, is to share with you how to take this system that we have and utilize it to get out there in the marketplace and build yourself a successful business. Can you make a lot of money? Absolutely. I do. And in fact, that's why I'm able to rent a house in North Carolina and get away for a month, 5 weeks really, and do a lot of the things that I do, is because I've been in this business for 7 years, built a very successful company, and I can show you how to do it. So click the link below. Click the link below the video and go to the YouTube video, or click the link below that and go to my website, and you will be able to watch that detailed video. It's 21 minutes long. It's going to share with you, I guess, 95% of what you are going to want to know. You may have some additional questions. That's where you just click that book a phone appointment, book a time with me. We'll get on the phone together and we'll talk all kinds of details, and then you can make an educated decision as to whether this business model is right for you. And by the way, people always ask, is this my own business? Do I own my own business? Yes, you're going to own an independent agency, just like a State Farm insurance agent. Think about, you drive down, your town, right? And you see the State Farm agent that has their office there in a little strip mall. Well, that agent owns that agency. Now, what happens when they write business? They get the client, they get the customer, they sell them a policy, and the company delivers the policy. They don't sit there in their office writing out an insurance policy. State Farm home office does that. It's the same thing here. You're going to own your own agency. You're going to go out and find clients. Those are your clients. You're going to get paid on those clients, but you're not sitting there generating dispute letters, right? That's not your skill level necessarily. Your skill level is to get out there and get into the community, become that credit person, become known for being the credit person in your community, and build a large business, and let the service delivery be done by people that specialize in that. So that's what our business model is all about. Hopefully you'll watch the video, and hopefully we'll have a chance to talk on the phone and again, see if this is the right fit for you. Have yourself a great day. Oh, and be sure to subscribe to the channel. I forgot that. Subscribe to the channel, hit the bell so that you'll get notified of new videos that I have coming out, usually once a week, once every 10 days. So a lot of great information on the credit repair industry that'll help you with your credit repair business. Now go have a great day. Top is